Hi corset friends, today I wanted to talk about some construction methods of corsets that can help make it a little bit more sleek. So I am wearing a corset that is made with a different kind of boning construction, a sleek construction. So you can see that there are no external bone casings. It's nice and smooth right here. To show that off a different way, here are two corsets that are the same shape. These are both waspies, but this one is made with sleek construction and this one has regular bone casings. So this one, the bone casings are, this fabric is folded over and top stitched, whereas this one has a separate piece of fabric that is sewn on top to hold the two bones that are side by side. So this one underneath has a little less fabric, so it's just slightly less bulky underneath clothing if you want to wear this as a foundation garment underneath something. Also, added bonus on this one, we've used a Petersham binding. So the edge of the corset is more like a ribbon, so it's quite thin as opposed to our usual corsets, which we have a self-binding, which is beautiful, but it does add a little bit of bulk here. If you're trying to have this be a really smooth line, you might want to go with the Petersham binding. So that's the difference between our standard bone casings and binding and the sleek bone casings and binding. Here's today's fit check, and if you have any other corset questions, pop them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them.